Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, February the 14th, 2022. Happy Valentine. Yes, it's today, Valentine's Day. And I've already solved 2 puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars, the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. There are 6 puzzles in this additional half of them I will solve, and otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming. But this Tectonic, by the way, in the Saturday edition I've made an error in the numbering, so I've corrected today. This one will be number 4126. Okay, 4126. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I do not know. We will see. Okay. For a 4 stars puzzle, yeah, for 4 stars, if it's really 4 stars, 30 minutes or more I need for solving a 4 stars puzzle. So publisher, I hope this is a 4 stars Tectonic. All the time it's too much, too easy. Yes, so I hope this one will be a hard one. Okay, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here in the single box, always a 1. Okay, 1 single box. Do we have dual boxes here? I see here dual box, there dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. Okay, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No, quadra boxes then. We see here 1 quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. So 2 boxes left for the 4, here 4, there 4. Okay, 1 quadra box, and here we have a quadra box also, but in a L shape. In an L shape, when you see a quadra box in L shape, the inside box, this box, the inside box, is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following step is to recognize, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this shape or figure, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. So this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. 3. We have 3 of those shapes. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, let me draw this here. Alright. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 of them. There are more, but not in this puzzle. I believe there are 6, maximum 6, but in this puzzle you only need to recognize these 3 shapes or figures, constructions or structures. Okay, why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. It should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that in this quadra box, these 2 boxes can be a 1. Because if I fill a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes as a in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 1. Okay. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. Yeah, we have a 2 there. But also those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 cannot be in these 4 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 1 and 3. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These two boxes in this triple box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box can be 8-2. That box can be 8-2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or 8, 3. Okay. This box cannot be A4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 or a 2. Well, I've marked those two boxes with a 2. I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. 3 and 5. 1 and a 2, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay, 1. Let me think. These two boxes cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So I've marked those two boxes. I've marked this box with 1 or a 3. It cannot be a 1 anymore. Now we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 to 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and a 3, 5 and a 1. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes, so yeah. Anyway, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, have a great and fantastic Monday, Valentine's Day, and we will meet again tomorrow, another day, another edition with full of puzzles. So see you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.